Hello everyone, I am Dr. Nathavut. I'm a general surgeon and also a president of Mediot Limited Partnership. At Mediot, we develop multi-patient monitoring system, and also it comes with central monitor with an affordable price. Imagine that every ward can have its own monitoring system with central monitor. We have the SMART PULZ product. It is a multi-patient monitoring system. There is a big system and a small system. The big system can monitor EKG, temperature, heart rate, respiratory rate, and also oxygen saturation. The small system can monitor heart rate, respiratory rate, and temperature. In the past, nurses have to go to every patient and record their vital signs. But with this multi-parameter monitoring system, the nurse don't have to record every patient individually. The machine will record it for the nurse and then show it at the central. The nurse can monitor via web application, which can reduce the nurse workload. The device is tested in IEC standard, and also there is cytotoxics testing. We calibrate every multi-parameter patient monitoring system with a standard calibrator. You can be sure that the system is well calibrated and the result can be trusted. You can contact us via facebook.com/Mediot Thailand or info@mediot.care. Thank you.